Welcome to Clam short video, and in this video I will show you how to process clinical notes using the default Clam name entity recognition in Attribute Pipeline. So here is our notes in TSD file, and then if we go back to the Clam interface, we can go to this pipeline view and then go to this pipeline library. There's a general folder. In the folder, there's a Clam NER Attribute Pipeline. So we can drag from the pipeline library to my pipeline to create the pipeline project here. After drag and drop, we have this Clam NER Attribute Pipeline. If you double click on this pipeline file, we see there are lots of NLP components inside this pipeline. So next step, we can go to the data folder and then copy one nodes and then paste on this data input folder. So next step is go to this run pipeline icon and run the pipeline. Now the pipeline is loading all the resources required to process the clinical notes. It may take about half a minute. Still loading. And now it's processing the first file. Okay, it's done. And then we can go to this output folder and then double click on this XML file to review the output. And we have the display options control on the right side. You can change the color of the entity to make it look nice. And also you may just focus on some certain kind of entity. You can choose to disable the display of some of the attribute or not. I'll show them all.